This video on the FARGO HDP6600 card printer demonstrates how to replace the LCD display. Place the printer onto its back. Using a flat screwdriver, release the two latches securing the bottom of the front panel. Return the printer to an upright position. Open the printer door. Using a Torx T10 screwdriver, remove the two screws securing the upper part of the front panel. Remove the front panel by pulling it outwards. Disconnect the ribbon cable from the LCD display. Disconnect the printer door sensor cable from the front panel. Remove the four screws securing the LCD display to the front panel. Now the LCD display can be removed from the panel. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.